Are you overcommitted and feeling a little overwhelmed and a bit stretched thin? Well, I've been there, and I want to share techniques on how to figure out if you are overwhelmed and how to overcome it. If this sounds great to you, then I invite you to keep on watching. I'm here helping you build an authentic life you love. For all the best tips and advice on how to build an authentic life you love, show up for yourself and curate your life from the inside out, I invite you to click that subscribe button. Okay guys, I know, you're busy. You're really busy. I'm busy too. We're always booked and busy. But sometimes having so much on our schedule can actually get in the way of our state of well-being. For example, recently, a famous Nigerian writer, who's one of my favorites, Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie, was talking about having to suffer through depression and anxiety. And I had a friend who asked and said, well, how could someone so talented and who has so much going for herself could actually feel depressed and anxious? Well, the truth of the matter is, being talented has nothing to do with, not feeling depressed or anxious. In fact, it might actually lead to more depression and anxiety because there's just a lot more pressure and a lot more that is being expected of you. And a lot of people who have very busy lives tend to experience depression and anxiety because of just the level of pressure that they have to respond to. So in this video, I'm going to talk about 1, how to determine that you feel overwhelmed, and 2, how to be overwhelmed when you feel it being onset. So let's get right to it. Okay, ways in which you know you are overwhelmed. Okay, 1, you forget a lot. This happens to me all the time. When I have a lot on my plate, I can forget the littlest things, like the tiniest things. I can completely forget. Sometimes I forget to even put my shoes on before I leave the house. I can get that bad, right? Because I'm juggling so much thinking at once. That is a sure sign that you're probably a little overwhelmed. The second way you know that you feel overwhelmed is that you're always tired, right? Like every second of the day, there's just this fatigue that keeps sort of like dragging you around and you feel it and you kind of having to carry it along with you. If you begin to feel sort of like chronically fatigued, there's probably some overwhelm in there, and I would suggest, well, you can use some of these techniques that I'll talk about later in this video on how to deal with that. The third way you can know that you're overwhelmed is sleep, or should I say the lack of sleep. Usually when I have a lot on my plate and I'm having just a lot of thoughts and a lot of thinking, it's really, really hard to feel well rested at night. So if you're sleeping but not asleep, it's like you're in this weird sort of like half sleep, half awake sort of space where you're asleep but you're still thinking, like you still have rapid thoughts. That is probably a sure sign that you are overwhelmed. But never mind, rest assured, in this video we're going to learn techniques on how to be overwhelmed. The first way, number 1 way, which is for me the best way really, is become comfortable with no. No is very, very powerful. And I know sometimes you may feel overcommitted because you're saying yes to so many things. You're saying yes to your business. You're saying yes to your family. You're saying yes to friends. You're saying yes to other commitments. And that can actually leave you feeling overwhelmed. I suggest that when a request is made of you and you know that you don't really want to do it, or it makes you feel a little tired, or immediately just like your inner space is a little disturbed by that request, I suggest just go ahead and say no. What's the worst that can happen, right? Well, I'm assuming that the worst that can happen is not really, we usually make up these things in our head as far as what would happen if we said no. I would say start practicing your no, so that your yes will mean a lot more. The second way I would say you can be overwhelmed is to get adequate rest. If you're working on something and you do feel like your thoughts are racing, or you feel tired, or it's just the ideas are maybe you need a break, maybe you do need rest, maybe you just need a half hour or 1 hour or 2 hour retreat. Just the other day, I took a very long nap just to get my brain or my mind into a sense of calm and a sense of sort of stillness. That is just a really great way to sort of reduce overwhelm and get adequate rest. The third technique I would say that I used to be overwhelmed is exercise. When I'm having a very stressful week, like when I was planning the masterclass, and there are a lot of moving pieces that I was trying to organize, I took to running every single day leading up to the masterclass. And what that helped was, one, release endorphins, which helped reduce stress. And also, it helped me blow off steam. It just took out a lot of energy out of me. And so when I was working, I was able to really focus and do that really well. A fourth technique that can help you be overwhelmed is I have the practice of breathing. So I actually have a reminder on my phone that reminds me to take 3 deep breaths. A lot of times we hold our breath and even tense up our shoulders when we feel stressed or overwhelmed without even realizing we're doing it, right? So bringing awareness to sort of your physical state that tells you you're overwhelmed and then sort of countering it can help you be overwhelmed. So if you feel overwhelmed, sometimes you might hunch your shoulders. So I remind you, unhunch your shoulders. Sometimes we hold our breath when we feel overwhelmed and stressed out. So for me, that's really where my practice goes. I set a reminder to remind me to take 3 deep breaths, and it works like magic. The moment I do that, I'm able to just release and let go. The fifth way you can be overwhelmed, and this works very well for me, is by practicing gratitude in the moment. In the moments when we feel overwhelmed, we have to remember that we're kind of booked and busy because we kind of asked for it, we worked really hard to be here. And so a lot of times drawing my attention back to gratitude and just saying, I'm grateful for the blessing of being busy, or grateful for the blessing of being able to live my purpose. And even though that makes me feel overwhelmed, I'm still deeply grateful. Gratitude, when you feel gratitude, it's impossible to feel any other negative emotion. You can't feel negative emotions when you are actively being grateful. So I will say you should add a practice of gratitude to your daily self-care practices. It really helps us get over the sense of overwhelm and stress and anxiety that sometimes comes with working so hard and working towards purpose. If you like this video, please go ahead, by all means, go ahead and like it. Comment and share with friends, family, whoever you feel would find this information useful. So what are some of the techniques you use to be overwhelmed? If you have some more advice, I would like to see them in the comment section. Please go ahead, by all means, leave a comment in the comment section so we can get the conversation going. If you would like to connect with like-minded people just like yourself, we have a secret society on Facebook that brings people together online to connect and encourage and motivate one another to live an authentic life. We love. The link is in the bio. And of course, all the fun goes down at nanaknema.com. Come on over to learn a little bit more about my mission to help people find their authentic selves. And also, while you're there, go ahead and subscribe to our mailing list and join hundreds of people who have subscribed to our mailing list and are receiving free resources, tips, and advice, and emails from me on a weekly basis on how to live an authentic life they love and to curate their lives from the inside out. Thank you once again for watching my content. I always love hanging out with you guys on here, and see you next time.